We're live. Making the lives. We're gonna do the things. Press the buttons. Hope for the best. Make the things happy. There we go. So I ran into a small problem. Oh, excuse me. This stopped working. So I guess this is something I'm not doing anymore. I'm just gonna have to eyeball the rest of this apparently. So that's a thing. Oh well. Hmm. I want to bring this to here. There we go. And then I guess this to here. Bring that to there. I suppose we could do that, which would eliminate. I think it would eliminate these a little bit. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, there we go. All right, I'm just gonna do this. We're gonna go through and Just like line these things up. We're gonna go all the way around. Oh, that's interesting. Just for now. All right, we're gonna keep going here. Let's see. You know what? This one I think needs to go this way. There we go. Because yeah, so if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. So that needs to be like so. Wait, do I want this? No, no, I don't. Wait, why did I draw that? Hmm. This one still may be good. You're gonna have to figure it out though. Gotta figure out this though. This is really the big one that's causing the problems. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I hate this model so much. Is it bad that I just don't want to today? Like I just want to call this here. Like I'm just so done with this model. I was really hoping that I'd get to spend a bunch of time like my understanding about this project was that initially the idea was that I learn um, more about doing good topology and whatnot. Making complex objects with good topology. And then it ended up just being essentially an exercise in how to model on a plane. And I'm just like, yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it here. Like I'm just so done with this project. Anyways. We'll do this. We're gonna take our little photos. And we're gonna move on to something else. Perspective view 0. We'll say this is 4. And yeah, I think I'm just like done with this one. All right. 1. There we go. Whatever. Done. All right. Saved. Boom. Oh yeah. I get like no viewership. Oh, what was that? Oh, it was probably this. Oh, Lizzie started following me. She does some crazy stuff. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I wonder how she did this. I have so many questions about this. Oh, look how pretty this is. What was it done in? It was Maya, ZBrush, Substance Painter, and Unreal. Hmm. Hmm. Wait, she's doing 2D art now? She used to stream. I don't think she streams anymore. One sec. I would like to just do this. I'm just gonna take a look because I can't remember if she's got anything that's like inappropriate for stream. It's doing a lot of 2D though. Hmm. All right. Sorry. Where was I? So, yeah, okay. Let's hmm. So we've kind of got two options for things to do today. We've got, I think, I don't know. I think I'm gonna just restart the stream real quick and switch over to. Actually, no, I can just leave it in because of the title. It's fine. I'm just gonna switch over and just do game dev today. I think I kind of just want a break from modeling. Starting to get a bit burnt out on modeling, if I'm being honest. I didn't mean to double click that. Close quick before it tries to load things. How is my non-existent audience today? Software, in-game development. I'm just gonna switch over. There we go. Up-a-doo, boo, boo, boo. There we go. So, I know there's a damage thing. Why do I have to install this every time? The writer Unreal. I keep having to install this, and it's driving me crazy. It's like, do you want to install the plugin? And it's just like, yes. Then I close it down and I open it again. It's like, do you want to install the plugin? And I'm just like, well, yeah, I said yes last time. Why do I have to install it every single time? Is it changing all the time or something? I don't know. I'll be right back. I need to go grab a drink. This is a sweet one. Let's see. Oh, it's a Shirley Temple. Interesting. I think it's too sweet. I don't really care for it. Okay. So let's make sure everything's working. Boom, boom, ba-dum, boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Okay, so what I'd like to do is come in here and we're going to change the game mode by going into here, into content, and we're going to create here, we're going to create a new folder, and we're going to say blueprints, or we're going to say sudo plugin, or actually we'll just call it blueprints. Let's see here. New folder. Game mode. Oops. Game modes. Blueprint. Game mode. BP. Game mode. BP SP player character. We're going to go to world settings. And under here, we're going to bring in our new game mode. And save and play. Now, we have our different game character, right? This is going to be BP SP game player character, right? And I think I've definitely got gravity set a bit too high. Did I do something funky with the gravity on this? Because I don't think this one's got the gravity set too high. $35, $5, $20, $2,000. Huh. Yes, this seems way too high. Anyways, let's do this. Save all. Let's see how fast this rebuilds, because this is something that was kind of annoying before. Yeah, no, I can't drink this. It's way too sweet. Be right back. I dump that sucker out. And we're going to hit play. Ah, much better. Ah! Alright, so that tells me what went wrong. So now what we need to do is bring these over. So this is 700 by default right now. What we want to do is split this to the... Actually, no, I want to bring this one over. I like having more on this side. We want to have these values be set, right? So let's take a quick look at the blueprint character itself. Let's see what jump is. Can we change this? And will it propagate if I do? Okay, so yeah, it will propagate. Sweet. So I don't even have to worry about it. So let's do 500. Yeah, that feels a bit better. This is more in line of to what we had before. But even this seems a bit floaty. Let's say 400. We jump. No. We install. Oops. Jump up onto this. Onto this. We can just barely hit it though, right? Like. Interesting. Hmm. Well, at least I see what I'm holding on by. Man, collision boxes make things look weird. Anyways. Alright, so that works. Let's switch it to by tuning it down to 400. Because 700 is way too much. There we go. Then we can close that and close that. And here we're just going to restart. There we go. Hit play. Beautiful. So essentially what we're going to try and replicate is like a lot of the stuff from like your RPG games and stuff like that. So if I come in to library here and we go to the Unreal library, right? We come down here, there's horror engine. Core Engine's going to be something that we're going to try and replicate a lot of the functionality for, but I want to do it in such a way that it's much easier to expand. Because right now it seems, it might not be, but it feels really difficult to expand, right? So there's that, and I want to say there's another one down here that looks really interesting. So we've got a top-down starter kit, turn-based strategy, turn-based RPG. That's not quite the one that I was thinking of. Not that one. There's one that's specifically like an RPG style game. Content example. I think it was this one. Probably this one. I think it was this one. Is this one just a blueprints? I think it is. Anyways. So first things first, we want to do some really, really quick pickups. So we're going to throw some pickups in here. Right? So items, world items. And then a blueprint. Actually, no, we need to create the world items first. So we need to create a blueprint for world items. Create new class. No, edit. What's it here? Oh, add. New C++ class. We just want a basic actor. Is a pawn. A pawn is an actor that can be. You can place spawned in the world. There we go. We want that, an actor. And we want this to be into the pseudo plugin. And what we want is SP. Would this be SP item? Oh wait, no. Sorry. I'm slowly going insane here. An actor component is a reusable component that can be added to any actor. Scene component is a component that has a scene transformation. It can be attached to other scene components. So it's an actor component. SP item pick up this wouldn't be interact. It would be actually, yeah, I guess there would be a level of interaction. SP interactable item object component. Let's make sure that I've spelt this all right, because you know the last thing that we want is for it not to be spelled correctly and whatnot. So there we go. I'm not actually sure if I spelt it right, but whatever. There we go. Would it be this, or should I do it as an interface? Yeah, actually, this should probably be an interface. Oh, wait. No, I just want this to be here. Interactable component. Yeah. Okay. Um, all right. So what do I want? So how do I want this to work? Obviously, this needs to be false. Everything, nothing should ever tick unless there's a damn good reason for it. So don't tick. Never tick. Don't tick things. There we go. I also like the idea of putting public stuff before protected because like protected stuff is not going to be used unless somebody's overriding things. Right? I guess I might be able to make a case to move this stuff over actually. Because like I need to make a game. I should really make a game with this. Actually, let's do that. Let's make a game. Let's make a game and then we'll do everything in a plugin. Unreal. No, sorry. Game idea generator. Let's see if we can make a game quickly. Something quick and easy. Dating certain, keep it alive, steampunk, switching of roles. Okay, so I definitely don't want steampunk. Generate. Shoot 'em up, expanding world, ancient Rome, urban legend. I don't know how that would work. That's an interesting one. I could probably pull it off though. Okay, so if we go to the Cinti store. This is new. Hmm. Anyways, poly series. Yeah, these are new. This is the I almost was going to buy this. Which course are you taking to learn 3D modeling and is it online? I am taking an online course. Um it to learn 3D modeling. Uh it is I want to say it's under animations. It's not under animations. But is it visual effects? Oh, there it is. I'm taking this one. Yeah, no worries. Um, I I can't say that it's going to be for you, but it's done me good so far, for the most part. Though it doesn't really teach the stuff that I like, the stuff that I ultimately want to learn. It doesn't really teach that. So, this is kind of cool. That's different. We have like Western here. Then this is kind of like medieval-y times. And then we come over a little bit further and now we're into futuristic. That's such a weird switch, eh? This landmass is really pretty though. Wow. Oh, look, butterflies. I might have to pick up some of their biome stuff at some point. I'm a big fan of the Cinti assets, by the way, in case anybody was unaware. They make I really like their art style, and I would like to try and replicate it at some point. I do get kind of annoyed though that like everything with them is Unity first. And I'm just like but I don't use Unity. And it's like some of their stuff they've talked about they said that this was going to come to Unreal, and then they never did the Unreal stuff. And it's just like, huh. I guess this is never coming to Unreal then. What? Community developed alpha version added. Unreal 4.22. Interesting. Or like there's some other stuff that they have that's like Unity only, and it's just like I really wish that you would not do that. I wish that everything was Unreal. Okay. So I don't want to do this because I don't actually want to go out and buy this. And that's the only way I'm getting Ancient Rome. Antiquity. See, survival, horror, random generated, stolen. No, I don't like horror games. Board game, quick time events, safe in the dark, JRPG X dancing. Everything is connected. Modern day, upcoming, overcoming fear. No. Text based, real time strategy, strength in numbers, hero panic. Give me a good one. Something. Okay, so we're gonna change things up here. Point and click, turn based. No. So whatever it's gonna be third person. So it can't be point and click. So it's gonna be third person, and it's gonna be medieval. Switching of roles is kind of interesting. Only 3 colors. I don't know how I would do that. Tower so no weapons allowed. Western rivalry is a free meaning definition.
Rivalry.
Oh, rivalry. Wow. Oh, that could be interesting. A Western rivalry game. What would that look like? Okay, let me write that down. Okay, so a Western game Maybe no weapons. Have a rival like Pokemon. Oh, yeah, my everything is bad here. Ooh. Wait, how would you do no enemies with a betrayal? I don't even understand how this one would work. Ooh, a betrayal game could be interesting. That would need narrative, though. We'd need a story. Metrovania, limited visibility. Dystopia, race to the finish. Mafia. You are the weapon. Search for identity. 1 hit point Steam. All right. Going for 6. Flat Tunian. Going for 6 walking laps around my block. Prompts? Yeah, just looking for some prompts. No, I'm making a game for the sake of making a plugin. Run and gun. Yeah. Game IG. Maybe this one. Oh, I don't like that. Please never again. Give me Environment cave. Goal, use all items. Genre puzzle. Rule, limited time. Wild card, multiplayer. That kind of sounds interesting. Ooh, supermarket survival strategy. Can only select connecting items multiplayer. The wild card is always multiplayer. Fun. This one I think I can do. I think this one actually could be fun. So like it would be like a medieval market, right? With ooh, I work at Walmart, lots of game. I worked at Walmart, lots of mini games. I don't think I understand. Like Walmart makes a lot of mini games? Okay, so I'm thinking medieval market, right? The goal is the goal is survival. Right? I'm not going to worry too much about the genre of it being a strategy. The tasks there are like mini games. Oh. Oh. Well, I don't think that I have like the assets for that. I could make them, but like I'd rather make medievally assets if I'm being honest. So I was thinking of using this as the base. Because this could be the market, right? Like we have all the parts to make a market. So I was thinking a medieval market. Or like a medieval town, right? It doesn't necessarily need to be a market. So I'm thinking medieval town. And I'm thinking maybe you are a kid. This way I don't have to make characters. Mostly so I don't have to make characters. Where's the kid pack? We can use the kid pack to maybe make like maybe you're a kid that's that's trying to survive or something like that, or maybe you're just a thief or something. Anyway, so my idea here is that you're in a medieval city, a medieval town, and you're a um scavenger of some kind, right? That's just trying to live, like a vagabond or something like that, right? You are trying to live, trying to live and have no cash. So you must steal food to live or work odd jobs. That could be fun. I think that's a good one. I think that could be fun. Maybe. To do. Oh wait, here we go. That wasn't it. This one. Okay, so that one might work. City survive. Okay, these are all just survival games with multiplayer. Oh, and unlock. Oh, okay. Every time I click, I get one. A sim game where you breed roads to make everybody happy. A puzzle game where you unlock baby animals with your friends. Yeah, you heard right. You heard right. Any game where you knit your phobias through the internet. I don't know how this would work. A shooting game where you motivate innocent people, and also you are a bird. Welp. A god game where you build mythological places through I might make that one. The road one? An MMO, just a small game where you learn from evil wizards in gigantic strongholds. Interesting. Something small, quick and easy. Build an MMO. It's like, oh okay. Um, okay. So bad. Okay, what was I about to search? I was about to look something up. Oh yeah. Game a month. Ooh, I know. itch.io. Google.com. itch.io game jams. Theme, ritual. Wild cards. Stay in the dark/light. An itch.io game jam. We do that. We could do that. There's a new one. Games from scratch. There's this one, the Kit Bash one. This one just came out. I have no hope in hell of winning this. But like the winners actually get something kind of cool. So first place is a 4080 with a Wacom Cintiq 16, 6 Kit Bash 3D kits, CG Spectrum 9-month course, Gnome Workshop 1-year subscription, ArtStation Pro 1-year subscription, $100 gift card for ArtStation. So that's kind of cool. Second place is kind of cool as well. You get a Wacom Intuos Pro S, which I would immediately switch out. I would immediately start using this over my Huion. I think. Do they say how big it was? No. Don't actually know the size of it, but I know that it would be nice to not have to worry about the frickin' screen. Make me so happy. Specifications, here we go. It's a bit smaller. I don't know if that would matter though. This would be kind of cool to get though. Does the 16 have the... Oh, you know what? I don't think this one has the best amount. Oh. I'm less interested. I don't want the 4080. It's cool though, if anybody's interested here. Everybody can enter, and you get free assets. So you get the asset here, so that could be kind of cool. Challenge begins October 11th. December 2nd is the deadline. 20th is the announcement. Not even gonna bother. I already know that I will not come in any of these. I won't get an honorable mention. Just meh. I'll also just like literally don't have the time, so. CPP Halloween horror. And monthly ideal versus real versus the real. Roguelike monthly jam. Wait, what? First edition of the roguelike monthly, where you have 1 week to develop a roguelike game with a 2-day voting period. Wow. Themed dystopian worlds, eh? Brave Jam? I would love to make like a JRPG style game, but like action RPG. I want to make an action RPG of some kind, right? Do we just start putting things in the game? Action RPG style, right? I guess we kind of do. Let's just do that. Let's do that. Let's make an action RPG. What is this exactly? But the guns are closer to Metroid? Hmm. I'm not entirely sure how that would work. Also, Metroids are really hard to make because, like... Oh, no, you're saying... Okay, never mind. Don't mind me. See Bubblegum Crisis. Could be interesting. All right, what are we going to call this? This is going to be an action RPG style game. We could do a RPG game. Hard suit mode. I think I've heard of Bubblegum Crisis. I have heard of Bubblegum Crisis. My head canon is that Cyberpunk 77 is a sequel to that. Interesting. That is definitely a thing. Okay, so I need to name this. We need a working name. Game working name generator. Hey, what are you doing? I'm thinking of making some kind of like RPG, action RPG style game. Sort of. Dreamheart. That actually sounds not bad. Let's just go with that. Back Sky. Just do blank. Okay. Your player is Potter. Wait, you player a Potter apprentice charged with fixing the broken pottery everywhere. Huh. Oh wait. I need to stop this. Here we go. Meta RPG. I don't know how I would implement that. Dreamheart. Wait. Open. P Unreal Dreamheart open. Trust and open. I should have opened this initially. My bad. Man, the Houdini plugin's causing me nothing but problems. Okay, so what we want to do is now that we have all this done, right, we're just going to come into here. Then we'll come into here. Plugins. Copy here. There we go. Wait. Copy here. This one, delete. Then we come back up to here. And we copy here. There we go. Then we close this. We reopen it just so it re-indexes everything correctly. I still don't know why it doesn't seem to want to keep those. Here we go. And run. Do. Bum. So, what are you guys up to today? We've got Buratod, and I can't pronounce your name, Fox. What are you guys up to today? I just kind of got bored of like working on that Mech. I don't know. The topology is screwed, and I don't know how I'd fix it. There we go. Dismiss. Not now. Here's our little world, if you would. And then we're going to go to the Cinti store. Studio. And trying to continue my work project. Always struggling with motivation. Ooh, what's your work project? Are you allowed to talk about it? I can definitely feel the motivation struggles there. Um, I've been struggling with them quite a bit as well. Tomorrow I have to show my progress. Done 80%. Can finish it in 2 hours, but still wasting time. Yeah, I know that feeling. Oh, they updated things. Okay, so let's bring this over here. So here's my list of Cinti assets. And then if we go back to here, we're going to grab the Fantasy Kingdom. Project is CMS for Paradox Evo 129 security management system. Interesting. I was thinking content management system. Paradox Evo 192. Oh, wow. You do embedded work. Interesting. That's kind of cool. Embedded work's really kind of difficult. Like, actually, kind of really difficult. Yeah, so we're just going to grab the Fantasy Kingdoms pack. Then we've got the character pack and the rival pack. Well, we'll come back to that later. Show in bind. See here. Extract all. Why are these all for Unreal 422? Why aren't these for Unreal 5 yet? I'm just kidding. It would take a while. I do want to, like, I wish there was like an easy way to just replace the bones. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So let's add in our little world here. So we've got that. Let's go here. We've got our plugins, pseudo content, blueprints, right? We've actually got a blueprintable character already ready and set up to ready to go. So what we can do is we can copy that into one of our things here, and voila, we've already got it, which is kind of really nice if you think about it, right? But let's just generate. Let's make this a bit bigger. I think both these need to be bigger. Whee! There we go. Go into here. and new folder. We're going to say, what's the new folder going to be? It's going to be blueprints. Or no, we can just say characters. Actually, no, because we're going to add some other stuff. We're going to say, what's the name of this again? This was Heart something? Dream Heart, that's what it is. Dream Heart. There. And then inside of Dream Heart, we're going to have new folder. And here we're going to say characters. Here we're going to say players. And we're going to have a new blueprint. Ooh. Sorry. From here, we're going to do the SP player character blueprint. Player character. Actually, let's move that out. We'll move that into here because we don't actually need like a players one. We'll just do that. Then if we come into here, we can come down to the mesh, and here we can say we want simple, and we want -90 and -90. Then for animations, we want what was it? Was it this one? No. Ooh, I know how we'll do this. What? Oh, I didn't bring any of the animations with me. Oh, fuck. Oh, no, I used the wrong ones. Oh, okay. We're using Quinn, right? Yeah. What? Interesting. This is not what I was expecting. Interesting. Save, compile. Let's throw this into the game and see what happens. Interesting. Okay. Well, that's annoying. Import? Was it add? This would be third person, right? Ugh. I didn't want to have all of these extras, right? Uh, would it just be this one? Sorry, this is gonna take a little bit longer than expected. Let's just do this for now. Wait, cancel. Yeah, yeah, okay. Save selected. There we go. What we want to do now is, ugh. Okay, this one here, copy. We're gonna throw this into here. Oh wait, it's in P. Dreamheart. Content. Paste. There's definitely some weirdness going on with the uh with the plugin for the character stuff. Plugins, pseudo plugin, content, blueprints. I think these need to be deleted. They're going to cause problems, I think. Ooh, excuse me. Then if we come back into content, what are the stuff that we don't care about? The character stuff we do care about, but we don't care about this one. We're not going to use that one. We want to use the new ones. That. So here we'll do a new folder. Actually, no. We'll do this inside of Unreal to move things around. To do and run. Ow. Not now. Cancel. Okay, so now if we come to here, right, we want the skeletal mesh to be, say, Quinn simple. And then this one, save compile. In theory, this should work. There she is. She's standing correctly. Beautiful. Now, if we come over here, what we want to do is new folder. Actually, wait. Delete. We don't need this one. Yeah, we don't need this one. Let's just delete it. Delete. Level prototyping. We're going to leave this stuff here because that's fine. I want to move this out. Advanced, move here. I'm a little surprised at how long this is taking. Wait, what? That was weird. Why is this doing this? I would like to delete, please. Why are you not allowing me to delete? Okay, so what we want to do is copy. Oops. No, no, no. Delete. Okay. Cut. Paste. Here we go. Delete. Run. Project files are out of date. Update. Open. Here we go. Much better. Okay, so now what we can do is from within here, right? We also want to create a folder called game modes. And then we want to create a blueprint for game mode. Then we can come into here, BP game mode, right? And the default player pawn will be BP player character. Then we save. Let's save all just to make sure. And then when we hit play, yeah, there we go. Can I ask a question besides topics for your stream? Yeah, you can ask anything. There's only a couple things that I won't talk about, so feel free to ask anything. And I'll let you know if it's something that I'm not willing to talk about. Where is that audio coming from? Oh, I see. Interesting. Games. Sourced. There we go. I don't think these actually get used anyway. Oh, wow. I was really late on that one. Okay. So let's see. We need items. So let's add some items for interaction here, right? So we'll create a folder here and we'll say world items. Or so we'll say items. Items. And then we're going to say world items. Would it be world items? No, let's just make a blueprint. Actually, wait. Let's go to the here content maps. I'm actually curious right now because this didn't run super well on my last computer. I'm kind of curious as to how well it's going to run and render on my current computer. Wow. Look at that. Totally doesn't work. Build all landscapes. Is this a landscape? I don't think it's a landscape. What? Static mesh is null? Oh man, it's missing everything. Oh no. No wonder it's not loading correctly. Save selected. Yeah, okay. I have to I have to redo this. 7-zip. Extract. Let's just do this. Extract all. Veritod, what were you gonna ask? What were you gonna ask? Yeah, I didn't see your message in time. Oh wait, actually, let's cancel that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna come over to here. We're gonna go to P. And we're going to delete the polygon kingdom. We're going to extract all. We're just going to put it right into Dreamheart. Content, polygon kingdom. Bum, 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 bum. So this is the art style that we're going to try and mimic for any additional assets that we need to create. At some point, I'm going to have to figure out how to like do the Unreal 5 was it Unreal 5 retargeting is kind of wonky and weird feeling, but also kind of good. It's kind of fucked up. While we wait for this, I'm just gonna open up Discord real quick and see if we can go harass our buddy, one of our many buddies here. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, this did not come out the way that I wanted it to. I wanted it to be only one deep. All right, let's rename this. Right, and then we come into here and we need to move it, right? There we go. Boom, boom, ba-dum. Nobody's online still. Everybody's having a weekend? What is this? There we go. Yay! Okay, play. Beautiful. Now what we want to do is we want to take a look now. I think now we should be able to go into here and it should just work. Please actually work. Don't tell me everything is broken. Don't tell me everything is broken. Override. What? Oh, okay. Okay, close that. Okay, I have another idea. I think I still have it downloaded. Yes, okay, so I still do have it. Oh, oh, no wonder it wasn't working. God damn it. Oh, I'm kind of annoyed with myself right now. Copy here. I did the wrong one. Copied over the entire thing, which is a U project, and I didn't want a U project. I'm gonna cry now. So I could have fixed it, and then I didn't. Good times. That's what we call the height of stupidity. Yeah. Definitely winning at that one. You know, having an avatar is kind of interesting. Okay, sweet, we're done. We can run. We're gonna have to build shaders. Shader building will happen. Will happen, and it will happen whether or not we like it. This is life. All the life. Okay. So now what we can do, we can go into maps. And now it will load properly. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Part of me wants to get like an NVMe RAID drive and just like do like a RAID 10 on it with 4 drives. But I want it to not be a CPU bound thing. I want it to be something that calculates everything entirely on the drive itself, right? So this is taking a long time to open for some reason. Is it hitting all the cores? There we go. We're loaded up. Wait, did it already do all the shaders? Is it gonna, no, it didn't. Okay, to do world settings. BP game mode. Let's actually go to BP game mode and change the blueprint for the character to default pawn. Player character, save, okay. Then we hit play. Yeah, look at that, we can run around. Okay, so what we want to do, for some reason I don't remember these being here, is we want to make some of these items interactable so we can pick them up. Like this book right there. We want to be able to look at it and pick it up. Look and pick up. So first things first, let's give ourselves a HUD. Yeah, New folder, HUD. Then a blueprint, widget. user widget. Oh wait, no, we need to delete. Let's come back out here. Let's rename this to UI. New folder, HUD. New folder, widgets. Blueprint class. User widget. Select. Unreal Engine. Naming schemes. Naming scheme. Naming conventions. That's what we wanted. To do. Widget. Oh, okay. I see. I see how this works. Okay, so it's just W. W. Cross. Is crosshair one word or two? Okay, so we need a scene. Actually, I guess this would be like a image or no color. Maybe it is image. Do there. Save, compile. We just want this to be a box though. Image size 32, 32. It's not what we want. We want maybe 5, 5. I think this is like the entire screen now. Maybe a tiny bit bigger there. There, and then we're gonna come into here and we will go here, and then a blueprint, which is going to be a HUD. Select HUD. I think HUD only shows up once, right? Wait, where's my content? That's not what I wanted. Rename BP player HUD. There we go. And then add widget. Wait, this isn't what I wanted. This is 3D. I don't want 3D. Let's see. User widget. I want that like parents scene thing. Canvas panel, that's what it was. There we go. And then this one will be the image. There we go. And then this will be that, say 5x5. And then now we can anchor it to the center. And then we're just going to reset all of this. And then when we zoom in, right, we need to do an offset of 0. No, wait, sorry. Alignment 0.5, 0.5. There we go. Save, compile. There we go. And then player HUD. The U player, which actors should be included? Actors should be included. What is this? All right. Let's do the gameplay stuff. Game mode. The HUD class. Oh, interesting. Odd generator. That's not it. Weird. Oh, this makes more sense, maybe? Scene root add. User widget. B. I want to add the. Oh, wait. Begin play. User widget. What was this again? Unreal Engine. Add user widget to screen. Oh, wait. Unreal Engine 5 UI tutorial. It's really all we want to do. It's been so long since I've done it. I don't really remember how to do it. Create widget, that's what it was. Create widget with a class of crosshair. And then I believe we then need to add to viewport. Oh wait, I forgot to change the game mode. Either it's not there, or I might have put it on the wrong thing. Then begin play. To do, is it add to, let's just add to viewport. Add to viewport. Oops. Add to view. There. After this, let's do a print. Print string. Added to viewport. Save, compile. Either that or I made it too small and we need to update it. Okay, so I made it too small. So we come back here. We can come to here. Let's make this bigger. We'll make it 25 by 25. Save, compile. Hit play. Hey, there we go. Wait, why are we in a weird spot there? Oh, right, because we're wherever it's told to, right? Add all classes, starting point, player start. Yeah, there we go. I really got to figure that one out. Like, these stairs are just terrible. Just terrible. That's not in the right spot because it's actually attached to the character. Or no, it's attached to the camera, but the camera's actually at butt level. Okay, so let's adjust that. And also let's make this a bit smaller. Maybe 15 by 15. And let's change it to a slightly different color. Let's go with a purple. Save. Play. There we go. Yeah, that's a bit better. Okay, so we've got that now. Now what we want to do is adjust the camera because the camera is in the wrong spot. So if we come into character here, we can view the actual character, sort of. But what we want to do is, let's see, camera. We want to have the camera be at the right spot, but really what we want is the camera to move up with the player. Or sorry, we want the camera to be up a bit. So I think this needs to be like 90. All right, I think we're now in the middle of the body. Actually, why don't we just go and add the scroll in and out, right? I think this is going to be here. So we're going to have to do two things. First things first, we're going to have to delete these. We don't want these. These aren't even in the right spots anyways. And we're also just going to stop running. There we go. And we need kind of a couple values here. We want view property, visible anywhere, blueprint, read only, category equals camera. To do meta equals allow private private access equals true. And then what we want is we want to float. And we want zoom step size equals, we'll say 10.L, 10.F there. And here we'll say camera zoom step size. Cool. We then need two more values. So for the max zoom and the min zoom, max zoom max zoom and min zoom. So this is usually going to be, I think if I remember correctly, it's usually like, it's actually never 0. And we'll say 1000 for that, right? Now what we can do is we can set the target arm length as well to something else if we wanted to. I'm not going to worry too much about it right this moment. So I don't think I want this under category camera. I think I want this under category pseudo plugin camera. Also, I'm not a huge fan of these. I like these kind of more together. These are not inherently wrong. They're just I think that they're just like added space for no real benefit. I'm sure there's somebody out there that actually cares deeply about this. In the other way. I only care because it kind of throws me off because I'm not used to reading code that's written explicitly with these spaces. So anytime I see them, I'm just like, oh, okay, so I guess that's a thing here. And then like, I found that Unreal isn't even consistent with how it does it. Because like sometimes you'll run into things where it's not like that, and other times you'll run into them where it really is, and it's just like, ah, interesting. I wish I knew why this was a thing. Okay. What do we need here? We then need a zoom, right? We'll say handle character zoom. player input. Oh wait, we should probably do this first. Turn rate, move right. Here we go. Called via input to zoom the camera in and out. At param value. This shows the direction the camera will be zooming. Will zoom. Then we do void zoom camera, and it takes in a float, which is value. Actually, let's call direction. Direction. And we'll leave that as not that. Anyways, then we will do shift insert. That's not the one that we wanted. Control insert. No. Windows insert. Windows insert definitions. There we go. And then here we'll say if not direction, return. What was it? It was. Oh yeah. Here we go. So we want to like essentially replicate these for the most part, right? So this is kind of like what we want. Although I'm going to change this. And this will be an or. Direction is equal to, 0. Return. There we go. And then down here, we're going to do the new value. This will be float new camera boom length equals math. I think it's math. Unreal Engine C++. Clamp. Fmath, that's what it was. Fmath clamp. And then it was the new value. So this would be direction plus times zoom step size plus camera boom target arm length. And then the min will be min zoom, max zoom. There we go. And this will be max camera zoom. Sorry, this one's min, sorry. And this one's max. Max camera zoom. There we go. And this will be camera, boom, target arm length. And then here we're going to bring that down. And there we go. And then here we're going to say player input component bind. Is it an axis? Yeah, it's an axis. Axis. Camera zoom. This. ASP player character zoom camera. Handle camera zoom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to actually change these because I don't like these names. So we're going to click here and go to refactor, rename. I'm going to say camera min zoom. And refactor, rename, camera max zoom. There we go. And then we can hit play. I'll be right back while this compiles. All right, I am back. Now I can hit play and nothing happens, and there's a reason for that. And we come here, we go to project settings, and we want input. There's action mapping. Here we don't have anything yet, so we're going to add one. Why is... What's going on here? That's weird. Wonder if it's this. Project settings. Input. There's that. Can I add this? Yes. Okay, I can add that. Interesting. That's really weird. It is actually in one of these, though. So if we do this, I think it's this. Jump. Why? Okay, so this is all here, just not showing up for some reason. Weird. But so if this is camera zoom, right? There. We hit play. Edit project settings. Input. Oh, okay. Weird. Do. And this always needs to be -1. Now a bunch of things are weird. Oh, wait, now they're gone. What just where'd they go? Is jump gone too? Where's this located? Default inputs. Okay, so jump still works. Okay. All right, well, at least we figured it out. Project settings. Okay. Inputs. We have to add in a bunch of these. That's so weird. But like, where did they go? Okay, wait. So it's Dreamheart config default inputs. Dreamheart config. Default inputs isn't even here. All right. Control F. Zoom. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. We're just gonna have to. Oh wait, because we removed these. Let's not do that next time. There we go. So weird. Oops. Okay, camera zoom. What's the other one that we want? Uh, move forward / backwards and bind axis. Let's do this. This here. We'll have 2 Unreal projects going at once here. Project settings. Input. I don't know why it didn't get my input mappings, but whatever. Okay, move forward, backwards. Okay, and then we do W is 1, S is -1. There. Then we'll add another one. Move left, right. And that one's going to be not this one. Move left, right. This will be A and D. A is -1. Look up and down. Mouse. Weird. Project settings. Oh, okay. Bindings. Wow. Okay. Go add one more. Look up and down. Mouse. Oops. Mouse Y. -1. And then we hit play. Yeah, we can run around now. One more to do. Turn left, right, mouse. turn left, right mouse. And then this is going to be mouse X. Still focused on her butt. Not quite what we were looking for, but, you know, I guess that's a thing. I can close this side project here that I had open because we don't need it. And what we want to do is if we come in to the mannequin and we do, I think it's mesh. We come into here. What we want is we want to add a socket. We'll call this camera socket, right? And then we want the camera socket to come up and forward. Actually, we can do that. That's probably good. That looks to be about eye level. Save. There. And then what we want to do is come into here. Ooh. And we want to try and attach it to this skeletal mesh socket. Unreal Engine, check if character mesh has socket. Get skeletal I have just the way of doing this. It's on YouTube. It's made by me. Camera zoom. Okay, today what I'm going to do is take the camera that's usually angled at this gentleman's buttocks when you first start, and have it attached to a socket that is attached to the head. And then I'm going to enable it to zoom in and out, so we'll be able to go. So the camera itself, if I come down here and the camera boom, what we want it to be is like this, kind of like the default area right here. And I want to move it up to about here, and then have it be able to go in and out and clamp to specific adjust those settings for that character. So C++ directly. So it's always best practice to not recompile in here. It's actually that's where this is, right? And then here I want to put it under zoom, and this gives us, so this is the first category, and then this is the subcategory. And this will give us the correct type of zoom for you and your game. These variables may or may not work for you. Please feel free to change them. All right, and so our next step here is we need to make sure that, I have leftover stuff here. Anyways, so what we're going to do is we're going to come down here, and we're going to add our camera, boom, right? Let's see, where are we here? Yeah, so camera boom, and then we want the, give me 1 second here, I'm just going over my docs. Attach, oh sorry, bind, wait no, yeah no, this isn't that one. Set up attachment, and this we want get mesh, and then here we would put camera socket. That's what it was. So we'll do get mesh socket. get mesh. Uh, hmm. We'll just do this. What was it? It was just set up camera boom, set up attachment to do camera boom, set up attachment. Okay, so all we're gonna do is do this. We're gonna set up attachment, and we're going to get mesh, and camera socket. I thought I did this in Unreal. Wait, did I do this in a different version of Unreal?
And then the next thing that we're going to do is we want to put the camera length, boom length in, so camera boom, and then we're going to do this, and then it will be the target arm length, and that will equal to the default arm length. Oops, default arm length. Yeah, there we go. There we go. And this here is why we named it default arm length. Right? And then if we come back here, there's one other thing that I forgot to do is we need to actually input the void. Sorry, we need a void of camera zoom, and this will take a float of type value.
You might notice that that person sounds particularly familiar. That is because it is me. Although this changed between then and now. It wants a parent, and here it wants a scene component now. And get mesh doesn't return the correct thing, right? This is a bit odd. Use scene component. See if that works. No, it does not work. Root component maybe. All right, let's just try this. I don't think this is gonna work, but you know, you never know. I have a feeling this is about to crash. Oh, do we risk it for the biscuit? Oh, it didn't crash. I'm kind of surprised. I really thought that it was going to crash. Let's make sure that I did this correctly though. Oh, that's why camera socket is underscored. Wouldn't have worked anyways. Okay, so that's not working. And I think that's because get skeletal I'm not a fan. Sorry. That doesn't make any sense. Oh, it literally just returns mesh. Mesh. Is this gonna... Oh, it really doesn't like this. Okay, what if I do... What if I do this? No. This is so weird. So this one works. It wants a scene component. I guess maybe this doesn't work anymore. Set up attachment, maybe? Hmm. So they totally changed this on me. It's no longer set up attachment. Unreal Engine 5. Attach boom arm to socket. Detach from actor. Detach from component. Attach to actor. Camera boom. Attach to okay, what if I did this? Root component. And then here would be it would be mesh. Get mesh. Or sorry, let's just do mesh. Do mesh. Attach to actor. Why is this not really working? I am not a fan. I don't think this is going to work, but I kind of want to try it anyways. No, still zooming on the butt. Hmm. Oh, oh, that's new. This is new. Yeah, I know. It's just okay, so before I could do this, right? And you could grab in the uh skeletal mesh and just attach it to the skeletal mesh socket. And then it would just be like relative, right? But now it won't actually allow this to happen because the skeletal mesh isn't a component. So that kind of sucks. Does mean that I should probably make a quick changement here. It's in here. So I don't need this anymore. There. I might have to play with it to see if I can get it to work, but in the meantime, we'll do that. Okay, so that's not quite what we wanted. To do here. Save all. Oh yeah, we can change this, but I think -10 is probably, oops, we want that. Yeah, we're kind of almost there. I'm thinking maybe like another -5. By the way, how are you, CS Media? Oh, it's better than bad. I think this still needs to be moved forward a bit more. But I'm okay with this so far. Though I do want to make that square a bit smaller. Let's try 5. Oh, that's better. Yep. Doing well is definitely better than doing poorly. I'm not a huge fan of this crosshair. You have to figure out how to make it feel like the crosshair is in front of the user instead of behind them. Although that might just be kind of like a situation that, yeah, this is just going to happen, right? Okay, so we can do that for now. What we're going to do now is we need a damage system, right? So we're going to do what would this be? This would be I guess this would be an actor component. Hmm. Or wait, we should probably do health first, right? Because can't really damage something if it has no health. So this will be to do stats component. To do and we want this to be actor components. Actor component. Interesting. Not that it really matters. Because we're going to come into here and this didn't do it right. That's actually kind of really annoying. We'll move that. Actually, what if I do... No, I don't want to move it. Directory. Components. Here we go, and let's run, see if anything breaks. Nothing's breaking. Beautiful. Okay, so for the components, the actor component, first things first, false. We want to always turn off tick. I don't know why everything has to. Actually, I do know why everything has tick on. I just don't like it. There we go. Okay, so we need a couple different variables that we want to throw in here. And we just kind of want to replicate this for the most part. Stats. So I want to do just like your basic stats from like uh um oh, what was it? D and D stats. There was one that I kind of liked that I looked at one point, and now I can't remember the name of it. Oh yeah, GURP. Yeah, I like this. And health. I kind of like the naming. Is really what it comes down to, right? So we'll start here. We'll do these will be uint 32. And this will be strength. And this will be 1. And this won't be a camera. Wait, did I not change that? Ah, I did not. Sudo plugin camera. We'll come down here and do the same. There we go. Sudo plugin stats. It's just interesting. Uint is invalid. Oh, why is uint Huh. Let's double check that because that's weird. I could have swore that you could put other things in there. U property supported types. Supported types. Oh yeah, no, it's totally there. Uint 32, sorry. Then why did it error out for that? Did I spell something wrong? Type is not supported by Blueprint. What? What do you mean? What do you No. This is confusing and weird. I don't like it. I'm going to try and compile this, see what happens. I think that this is valid. It's not. Oh, I was lied to. What about just int 32? Okay, so uint is just not valid. What? Weird. Okay. So strength. Actors strength. Dexterity. Actors dexterity. We'll have to come through and actually like write these a bit better. Once I get them in. Intelligence. Health. I'm working on stats for my Unreal RPG project right now too. I don't know much of any C++ though, so I'm using blueprints. Ooh, blueprints are always fun. I'm not very good at blueprints though. I'm like the opposite. I don't really know blueprints. I like only know C++. I only really do C++ stuff in Unreal. It's bad. It's totally bad though. Like using blueprints is actually the way that you should do this. Normally equivalent to 2 points. Hit points. Normally equivalent to strength plus 2 points per 1 hit point. Will normally equivalent to IQ. 5 points per 1 will. Oh, okay. How do you find blueprints, by the way? Is... Okay, so here we're going to have some public stuff, and our public stuff will add things like increasing levels and stuff like that, right? So we'll say get, so this will be return an int 32, and we'll do get current health or get strength. We're gonna do like get strength, and here we're going to do get current strength. And then essentially we just need to do this for all the other ones too. Let me minimize this, come up here, and we can see them all here. So all we're going to do is come down here and do dexterity. Intelligence. CS Media, how are you building, like, what are you basing your health your stat system off of, by the way? If you don't mind sharing, that is. Boom. There we go. Get current dexterity and intelligence, health. Return strength. Return dexterity. Return intelligence. Return health. I'm still hammering out details, but using my own custom stat system. That's fair. I'm not going to be like actually using any specific stat system. Just because this is going to be like more generic stuff, but I kind of like the naming, and it has some like interesting base attributes that I wanted to use because like it covers quite a bit. So I'm just like, yeah, this works. Because like I think the idea behind health is like how healthy your character is, not actually like health as in hit points, right? So like your hit points are based off of your strength, which I kind of like. I think that's a cool idea. Although I might actually replace that with stamina. Um, or I might alter how hit points are calculated, and I might base them off of health as a base, right? But like here we can say hit points are normally equivalent to 2 strength. So for every 2 strength that you have, you get 1 hit point. And we can obviously modify this, and because this isn't going to work for like a regular RPG game, right? Like your hit points will just be so small. um and then if we do health, health is a measure of energy and vitality, representing stamina, resistance to poison, disease, radiation, etc., and basic grit, which is kind of cool. So like it gives you a lot to play with, which I like. So like I'm gonna play around with this idea. I think that I'm going to add the health probably to this because it kind of makes a little bit more sense to me, at least. And then we can have kind of like interesting stuff happen. Or I might introduce another one called Stam and just have that kind of be specific to like how far you can run, and so that could be tied to like sprint and it would be sprint and health points. One sec, I'll be right back. I need to go grab a drink. I'm gonna make some tea. So CS Media, how are you finding blueprints? You finding them easy or difficult or whatnot? I'm kind of debating whether or not. Oh no, because it creates an interesting situation when you do it with the components where you like can't stack them the way that I want to. And have multiple components of the same base type. It's really weird. Okay, so there we go. Now we need a way of setting them. So what we want to do is we want to have an event. So when we update the, I find blueprints to be a lifesaver in terms of time and peace of mind. They're basically just C++ made to look like a flowchart of nodes. Yeah, I've worked a little bit in blueprints. I I got asked to work on a project that is entirely blueprint based recently, and it's kind of a, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit annoying. I it's just it's hard to explain. Like I go to do stuff and it's just like doing it in the blueprint way is just like it's time consuming, right? Like at least it feels time consuming. And it creates something that's like really hard to transfer between multiple people. Let's see. So what do we want to call our increases? I don't want to call it set. And I do need to do. Actually, wait, we need 3 values per stat. One will be the base, one will be the one will be the base, one will be the current. That's what we need. This will be the base strength, base dexterity, base intellect, right? So let's just do this. There we go. Current. Okay. Then here, we're going to create some new ones here. So this would return a void, and this would be apply strength debuff. This will be an int 32 value. And then applies a debuff value to the strength stat at param int 32 value. I think that's how it's done, right? Let me double check. Oh, okay. So it's just calling out the actual value itself. So value, and then I think that it's, yeah, okay. The amount you wish, the amount, amount to decrease the strength stat by. Actually, I think I'm going to change this. And we're going to make a struct. Sorry, an enum. Unreal Engine C++ enum. Give me 2 seconds. My water just dinged. Okay, dude. Let's see here. I think what I need. This looks right. Yeah, this is it. Here. To do. Was it? Is it E? Okay. E. Um. Google.com. Unreal Engine 5 C++ naming conventions. Oh, this is absolutely not it. I think this might be it. Huh? Oh. Sorry. There we go. Okay. Enum. Okay, they are prefixed by an E. Okay, so E SP stat enum. All right, so this would be strength, dexterity, intelligence, and health. There we go. I'm going to rename this to get stat. This will be const E SP stat enum. Then get stat at param stat. The stat you wish to fetch. The stat you wish to get the value of, the current value of. Get the given stat's current value. Applies debuff to, oh, actually, I've already got it. We'll just come down, do this here, and then this will need to be a const ESP stat enum stat and at param stat you wish to apply the debuff to. Okay, and here we'll do this. Then we will do a switch. And this will be get stat. Oops. And this will be const ESP stat enum stat. And it will be on stat. And then the condition will be ESP stat enum strength. C++ switch. Ah, yes. Return current strength. What happens if I do this? Oh. Return. Return 0. To do, it is dext. Yeah, dexterity. Current dexterity. Intelligence. Current intelligence. And health. Current health. Oops. There we go. Is debuff actually spelt wrong? Nope. This will not be valid. So this is invalid. There we go. There we go. To do this will be current strength minus equals value. Equals value. There we go. Now I want this one to return. Then here we want to broadcast that we applied a debuff. So declare multicast delegate 2 parameters. Oh no, 3 parameters. 3 params. Character. Sorry, what was it? It was what was the type here? A character. A character. Character. This will be ESP stats enum stat and int 32 value. And then we need to name it, obviously. So this will be this will be on apply debuff, apply stat debuff. Unreal Engine C++, C++, get naming. Ah, I did it. Do F, that's what it was. F, apply debuff delegate. Was it? Okay, yeah. Mm. Declare dynamic 2 params, yeah. F string player name, F string message. So what's the problem? Cannot resolve symbol a character. Does not. Oh, right. It's just an int. U int 8. Unreal. Oops. Google. Unreal Engine 5 C++ delegate with enum. You can work around it. Give me a moment. Where is my phone? That didn't work. Okay. Oh, okay, so this needs to be this. And I think maybe a class. What am I doing wrong here? It's a struct. Would this be just like Oh, that is not it. What's the problem here? A character does not name a value. Okay. Oops. Let's try this one more time. Declare, oops. Declare multi-class 3-parameter. F apply stat debuff delegate class a character We'll say we'll do 1. Okay. 2. Oops. Oh. Sorry. Would this be a pointer? Must have a return type. What? Function must have a return type? What do you mean a return type? That's weird. I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm starting to feel not super great. So I'm gonna call it here. But I will catch you all later. And thank you to everybody who showed up, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, thanks. Bye-bye for now.